Are you considering a career in project management? If you are, you're probably wondering, is project management a good career? And let's face it, you're probably also wondering, does it pay well? Let's see. So, is project management a good career choice? Yes. Next question? Okay, that's great. But it also pays to define terms. So, what do I mean by a good career? After 30 years in the profession, and with dozens, no, hundreds of friends, colleagues and contacts in the profession, and after training thousands of project managers, I have a point of view. Project management is a great career if you're looking for a profession or a professional background that offers varied, satisfying work, long-lasting employability, with a lot of career options, challenges that will compel you to solve problems, to learn and develop throughout your career, the chance to work with a huge variety of people in a wide range of contexts, a role that is respected throughout commerce, industry and public service, a career where you can make a difference and do good in the world, and yes, one that offers good compensation in the form of high salaries or contract rates and ready employment. Does project management really offer all this? Well, in my experience, yes, it does. That was an easy question. So perhaps a better question would be, what kind of person is well suited to a project management career? Project management is a good career for you if you like something new every day. Frequent changes in your role or your environment, the ability to make change happen, seeing the results of your work and feeling that you've made a difference, solving problems, thinking clearly, taking responsibility, working with people, constant learning, career progression, and a profession as well as a job. Do you need to fit this description perfectly? No. But on the other hand, project management is not likely to be a good job for you if you are someone who likes to take instructions and doesn't like responsibility, who likes routine, certainty and familiarity, or who wants a relaxed life at work. But let's cut to the chase. What are the compensations of a project management career? Project management is a satisfying, long-term, challenging profession that offers the chance to do good and win respect. And it's also well compensated. How so? The subject of remuneration revolves around three things. 1. Supply and demand that leads to salary expectations. 2. Breadth of opportunities across sectors and geographies. And 3. Routes to expand your professional horizons beyond core project management skills and opportunities. Let's take a look at these in turn. Supply and demand. There's a huge demand for project management skills globally, and every piece of research I've seen suggests that it's likely to continue to grow. It also seems that project managers are in relatively short supply, and good project managers who are committed to developing themselves and their craft even more so. This means salaries and contracting rate expectations are high. This is a long-term, high-status career option. Breadth of opportunities across sectors and geographies. It doesn't matter what sector attracts you or what geography you prefer to live in. There is a high demand for project managers everywhere. You can even work for contracting or consulting organisations, as I did, that will allow you to work in multiple sectors and in different geographies. I've delivered projects in all parts of the UK and in Germany and the Netherlands. I've worked in telecoms, financial services, transportation, manufacturing, retail, food and beverages, not-for-profit, healthcare, professional services, energy supply, central and local government, and probably others that I can't remember. Expand beyond core project management skills. With project management as your core skill, there are a huge number of directions that your career can take. The obvious examples are program and portfolio management and PMO roles. These can, of course, lead to senior roles, all the way up to VP, director or chief officer roles. My own career has gone beyond project, program and change management into training, speaking, writing, coaching, mentoring, founding and operating, and in one case, selling businesses, and becoming a nearly full-time YouTuber. And when I think of friends and former colleagues who are project managers, I see a huge range of career directions. Project management contractors and interims, business founders, consultancy partners, senior civil servants and local government chief officers, charity executives, procurement and contracting experts, lawyers and accountants, business strategy experts, executive coaches, and chief officers. Chief operating officers, chief technical officers, chief financial officers, and chief executive officers, CEOs. Okay, so how well does project management pay? This video is sponsored by Association for Project Management. APM carries out regular and thorough surveys of project management salaries and market trends. The data is published in the APM Salary and Market Trends Survey. APM leads debates, champions innovations and challenges the status quo where they think it will make a difference. And APM delivers learning and networking opportunities, qualifications, research, resources, events, and best practice guidance for the project community, helping the profession to deliver better. This year's survey, 2023, is a must-read document for anyone interested in our profession. And the best news? It's free. And not just to their members, so I'll put a link in the description. Its 5 chapters cover salary data, cut in many different ways, working life and job satisfaction, including job supply, economic confidence, and the future of the profession, diversity and inclusion, dealing with volatility, my own favourite section. This looks at respondents' perceptions around key societal issues that bear on our profession, and Respondents, a detailed breakdown of the survey sample. In answer to the question, how well does project management pay? The headline is that full APM members have an average salary of £67,500. But details matter. There's a fantastic graphic on page 7. This shows average salary by project-related role that ranges from £27,500 for a project administrator or project office support role. They also found a band at £17,000 for student roles, all the way up to £82,500 for heads of projects or programs, or project, program or PMO director roles, and an average salary of £125,000 for those who are company directors or board members. Chapter 2 opens with 3 great statistics which bear on the question, is project management a good career? Of the people surveyed, 81% say they are satisfied with their role. 65% have seen their pay and benefits increase since the last Salary and Market Trends survey in 2020. And 80% are optimistic about the supply of jobs. Finally, I'd like to end with 7 tips about how to make a better project management career. The first was shared by Dawn Mahan in a conversation we had on this YouTube channel. She recommends you choose a next job that half makes you confident that you know what you're doing, and half scares you that you don't yet. Second, don't just aim to deepen your experience, also aim to broaden it. Third, look out for mentors who can advise you, and build mastermind groups of like-minded colleagues from whom you can learn and also who can help you to learn from your own experiences. Fourth, contribute to the profession. Mentor colleagues, develop thought leadership, offer to speak at conferences and other events, and join special interest groups in your association. Next, consider the value for your choice of career of formal learning and certification. APM, for example, offers 3 tiers of core qualifications, along with specialised qualifications, learning resources and publications. PMI and other project management organisations offer their own range of qualifications. Sixth, meet people and attend events wherever and whenever you can. Ask questions, share ideas and pick up new knowledge. And finally, keep learning. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be making loads more great project management videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.